Welcome to ETL Testing tutorial on our BlissPass Academy's YouTube channel. We hope this content helps you elevate your skills and advance your career to the next level. Before you really dive into this ETL testing tutorial, you need to complete some important topics. First and foremost thing is you need to know what is an operating system and also some of the Linux commands. And then you need to have a knowledge of RDBMS, that is a relational database management system. And then you have to have a knowledge of SQL or SQL. Then you need to have a knowledge of data warehouse for analytical processing. In the end, you also need to have a knowledge of software testing and little bit of Jira before you get into the ETL testing course. Are you worried? How do you get the knowledge? Don't worry. We have a tutorial for each of these topics. Please navigate to those tutorials and finish these courses and come back to the ETL testing course. We always want the participants to have a knowledge of the concepts complemented with the hands-on. Wherever required, we always include the hands-on along with the concepts. So hands-on can be done on MySQL or SQL Server. Most of this content is recorded on the MySQL. With the minimal changes, you can also run the same commands on the SQL Server as well. We have a separate playlist in the YouTube for the installation of SQL Server and also MySQL. You can watch those videos and install the MySQL or SQL Server, which is required for the practice. We understood most of the aspects. Anything else you need to know? Yes. We do have an extensive playlist. Try to sequentially go through all the videos. However, if you feel you already know the content, please feel free to skip that particular video and move on to the next video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and share with your friends and family so that we can keep on coming back to you with the wonderful content. Thank you for choosing BlissPass Academy. We are really excited to guide you on your ETL testing journey.